friends, Running Kimono here. We have some cheap CoverGirl, and this is the week of shampoos and some free dental care, so I am all about that. Another terrific week over at Walgreens, where we are going to be using Walgreens Cash and register rewards to get this stuff very cheap. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe today. Okay, so we're going to start this video off talking about clearance. And a couple days ago, I was at a Walgreens about an hour-ish from my house, and I finally found a bag of the 49-cent Lindor birthday truffle or chocolates. Keep an eye out for this specific one that's pink. The manager said that there was a couple in the back, and she's like, we didn't bring them out. So they brought them out that morning, and I bought one. So 49 cents. I didn't think I'd ever find one, and it finally happened. The next deal we're going to talk about is clearance CoverGirl mascara. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, so keep an eye out for these. I was looking for them, $6.99-ish, super uber cheap. These are the two that I found, one for $6.89 and one for $6.99. You need to grab two of them, and they're ringing up buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. And again, you might not have the same clearance as I, but if you can line this up, go for it. Shopmium's also going to give you back $2 for one of them as well, so that's terrific. And IBOTTA is giving back $3 for each mascara, so that is really fantastic. Make sure you have this rebate. So looking at the overall math, guys, two of these mascaras is $10.43 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the one digital, you'll pay $8.43. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. Photograph your receipt to Shopmium for $2 back. The final price point here is 43 cents for the two, or 21 cents per mascara. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal without a booster, but this is a stock-up price. If you're trying to quit smoking, a lot of these lozenges are a little bit more than 50% off. For $15.19 for these lozenges, on a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $22.78. I used a $3 register reward that I had from the last previous weeks and threw in $20 in Walgreens Cash, and I have a nice little gift for a relative who's trying to quit smoking. And I'm doing this again, a no booster deal, but if you are trying to, butt out, or if you have somebody that's trying, this is definitely something to pick up. It is very cheap. Usually these boxes are like, $40+ for the Walgreens brand, so very cheap. Now, this is this week's freebie. We have the Crest mouth rinse. It's a smaller bottle for $3, or alternatively, you can grab the $3 toothbrush. So you pick which one you want. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Make sure you have it loaded, and it's attaching. Okay, so two of those mouth rinses at $3 a pop is $6. Subtracting that specific digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you plan to do this deal without a booster. Most of us don't have a digital booster, so, by all means, I would definitely use the Walgreens Cash. And then just to give you a quick peek, here is the register reward. It did in fact print. I did it once with the brushes and then once with the mouthwash, printed twice. 2 separate transactions on 2 store cards. If you remember in my preview video, I was like, I wonder if the $10 brand coupon's going to show up. And guess what? It actually did. So we are going to be looking for the shaver that's $28.99, not the $38 one that I showed you, but we have this $10 off digital coupon. If you might have one of these 20% offs, throw it into the transaction. So this is how it'll work, and you have to do this deal in store. Grabbing one of these for $28.99, subtracting the 20% off coupon, $5.79 melting off, along with the $10 digital. You'll pay $13.20. Get back an $8 register reward for buying this shaver, making it $5.20 for a product that's just under $30. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So now we're going to grab a Colgate toothpaste and a mouth rinse priced at $4.50. Unfortunately, my store was kind of out of stock of this stuff. We're going to load the following digital coupons. That's a $2.50 off of one of the mouth rinses, and then a $2.50 off of a paste. Make sure you have both of these digital coupons loaded. So 2 of those dental care products is $9 on the nose. Subtracting the 2 digitals, $5 is melting off. You're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you plan to do this deal with no booster. Okay, let's talk about the Pantene deal. We just need to grab 2 of these because the deal kind of changed around. As I always say that my Friday video is a preview, this is exactly why. We're going to grab 2 of these guys at $5 a pop, and we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. And sorry, I don't have any tags in these in this video. They have yet to hang the tags, and I went shopping very early. The matchup is 2 of these Pantenes for $10. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward because this is a deal of the week. The final price point here is $4 for the 2 or $2 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And here's my friend, a $4 register reward for buying those Pantenes. Another shampoo deal that's absolutely terrific is on the whole blends. They are 2 for $8 this week, and that's pretty cheap for that shampoo. Or alternatively, you can grab the Fructis, which is another tier brand because we have digitals for both of them. If you're planning on doing both shampoo deals, 2 separate transactions so the register reward will print. So for my transaction, I grabbed 2 of the whole blends, a shampoo and a conditioner, and then I loaded this guy, which is your 3 off of 2 digital. And again, for the Fructis, there's a separate coupon for that as well. So 2 of those shampoos for $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And then just to give you guys a quick peek, my register reward did in fact print for me. Here it is, $3 back, courtesy of Garnier. Yet another shampoo deal for all the fans of the L'Oreal Elvive line. They are 2 for $9 this week. So you're going to grab 2 of them. I grabbed this color protectant one. I don't know. I just thought it would be nice. And then I loaded the following digitals that include this IVC, which is a 3 off of 2. And it'll apply to each one. And we have the 3 off of 2 manufacturer. So 2 of those shampoos for $9, subtracting the IVC and the digital, that's $6 off. You're going to pay $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Unfortunately, no reward for this, but $1.50 for the L'Oreal Elvive. I'll take that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Going back to the Friday video where I speculated a $3 digital coupon on the Dove. This is how it's going to work. You're going to look for 2 of the Dove scrubs, exactly like that picture. They're $7 a pop. Load this $3 digital. It's an exfoliating body polish. Absolutely glorious. They're $7 each this week, so 2 of them is $14. Subtracting a $3 digital, you're going to pay $11. Photograph that receipt to ShopMe for another $3 back. Plus, you're going to get back your $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per body scrub. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. This would make a terrific stocking stuffer. The Viva is also $4.99 this week if you need to stock up on paper. It's just a really great paper towel, and if you have a lot of pets, definitely a stock up price. Before I skedaddle off into the big sunset, we had a $3.50 off digital that showed up last night and $1 off too for the Pepperidge Farm Christmas cookies. Load them. We can use them in tomorrow's curbside video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.